Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't really moved today. I was hoping to see a little bit more action also towards the weekly candle close. Well, maybe it's still gonna happen. We start to see a little bit of a downtrend. We already observed that in the video earlier today. The situation overall for Bitcoin, to be honest, hasn't really changed. Bitcoin is still in a potential wave 4 correction in which an A wave likely already finished a few days ago on Friday. Then we had our B wave potentially now started. So maybe that B wave has started now. Should take us into the region of ideally 44,470 plus. So round about 44.5 to 46K would be a healthy B wave. And then a C wave down should still follow. Could it be that this overall fourth wave already completed here? Sure, it's technically possible, but because we have a 5-wave move down, this is not preferred. Yeah, I've got a 5-wave move down that typically suggests that this move down isn't finished yet. It would typically need another leg up, a corrective rally, forming ideally a lower high, and then another leg down, and then we have 3 waves down, and that could complete this overall wave 4 correction before we continue to go higher. However, you can have an alternative view, and you could say that possibly, let me think actually, you could say that this here was wave 4, so 3, 4, 5 here, and then all of this is wave 4 in white, A overshooting B wave, C wave down. But that's a very, very strange structure, which doesn't really look right with that shallow A wave, short A wave, then this overshooting B wave, massively overshooting. But it's a valid structure. It's just not my preferred interpretation. Also considering how long normally a wave 4 is. I mean, when we talk about duration, bear in mind that this here was a 4th wave. It took ages, and this is actually a 4th wave of the larger degree. So, I mean, it already takes now, it's been a couple of weeks nearly now. So, yeah, it's something I think to watch, and we have to expect further wave 4 sideways price action. So again, the wave A is likely finished. We're currently observing if the wave B has started. So let's zoom into the microstructure, because to be honest, not much else is happening here. By the way, sorry for the background noise. It's very windy outside. You might hear a little bit of strange noise. So UK storm. Okay, so looking at the B wave to the upside, I already highlighted what would constitute a healthy B wave. Literally throughout the entire weekend, we've seen sideways price action. Nothing exciting. Market seems to be trending down a little bit, but it hasn't even broken the lows from like the Saturday lows. Seems like a sustained break below 41,480 should finally send us into this support area. This support area is likely going to be reached in the B wave. That's why we've got another chart, before a C wave higher begins. We talk about, obviously, here within wave B, which might have started on Friday, we talk about an ABC structure, A, B, C. And again, this here could be the A wave of A. Then this here could be the B wave of A. And one more high in wave C would be needed to complete a nice 3-wave move. And that would likely then be an A wave and so on. That's what I'm observing. The micro support levels here are 41,438, 41,220, 41,000, and 40,697. These are the support levels relevant here for this current pullback. And then, we should watch for a potential reaction and a break above what we've labeled as A wave high. This swing high from Friday, which is at 42,170, should suggest that the C wave to the upside has started. But there isn't much more really. These are the parameters to watch, I think, for the beginning of the week. In the coming sessions, we should know more if the price wants to dip further into the support area. Not strictly needed, not absolutely needed, but it seems likely that we at least reach here the 38.2 or the 50% FIB levels. Anything below 40,697 would suggest that new lows are coming and that this A wave never finished. But for now, my assumption is it's finished. But obviously condition is that the support area is holding. But the market rallied nicely on Friday. It's been consolidating, so it's been basically maintaining its potential breakout structure here. I mean, okay, I shouldn't say breakout. It's not really a breakout in a B wave, but bear in mind that B waves can even overshoot. They can be quite aggressive. It's just something that cannot be predicted. We just need to consider that B waves can overshoot. You know, they can do that. They are very annoying. But yeah, let's see. I mean, Bitcoin isn't really doing much at the moment. A very, very uneventful weekend. Well, if it goes like last week, then the beginning of the week is likely super boring. I mean, even this week, really. Well, last week, you know what I mean. Was already very boring. We had here just sideways action. But if you look at this, I mean, it's even less eventful. I mean, just literally stablecoin. I know it's frustrating, but markets cannot always be exciting, okay? So let's see, make it exciting by entering some trades if you like to. But yeah, we have to just be patient to let this correction finish before the next interesting rally starts. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.